everybody, in this video we're going to go over addition or subtraction of matrices. But before we go over this problem, let's talk a little bit about how we can add or subtract matrices. When we're talking about the sum or differences of matrices, only matrices with the same order can be added or subtracted. So that means they have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. The result is a new matrix of like order. So the new matrix will have the same number of rows and the same number of columns, whose entries are corresponding to sums or differences. Okay. To find these sums or differences of the two matrices, we perform the given operation, so either addition or subtraction, entry by entry. Okay, so let's see what this means in practice. For these three matrices, A, B, and C, we have A, and A is a 2 by 3 matrix. B, A is not a 2 by 3 matrix. We go row and then column, so A is a 3 by 2 matrix. B is a 2 by 3 matrix, and C is a 3 by 2 matrix. That's the order or the size of the matrices. So in order to add or subtract matrices, they need to have the same order. So A plus C can be added because they have the same order. So this will look like taking A and adding matrix C and then what we do is we do the indicated operation for each entry. So we're going to add 2 plus 3 for the first entry, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. Then we're going to add 6 plus negative 2 for the second entry. So we get a 4. Now on the second row, we're going to add 1 plus 1, which is 2. On the second row, second column, we're going to add 0 plus 5, which is 5. And then on the third row, we're going to add 1 plus negative 4, so that's negative 3. And then negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Now, the resulting matrix we got was a 3 by 2, which is what we wanted. And this is the sum of matrix A plus C. Okay, now take a look at B, which is A plus B. These two matrices have a different order, so we can't add them together. That's not possible. And why is it not possible? Because they have a different order. For letter C, problem C, we're asked to do C minus A. So we're going to take matrix C and we're going to subtract the corresponding entries to matrix A. They have the same order, so that works. But what we're going to end up getting is 3 minus 2, which is 1. Negative 2 minus 6 is a negative 8, so that goes in that corresponding entry. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. And then 3 minus negative 3, 3 minus negative 3 becomes 3 plus 3, which is 6. So that is my corresponding matrix for taking matrix C and then subtracting matrix A.